Baby Check, the simplest wearable temp and position monitor. Monitor your baby's temperature, body position, sleep, and medicine administration. iOS/Android apps, fits ages 0-5 plus YRS.
Hello, my name is Dr. Dwayne Melsom. I'm the CEO and co-founder of DK Technology Innovations. We are a global startup company that develops products for the home market to make your lifestyle easier. Our first product is the Baby Check. A wearable device allows you to monitor the baby's temperature, sleep patterns, and body positions over multiple days.
It's okay, baby. I got you.
Baby Check came about based upon the idea that there's a lot of problems taking a baby's temperature. We've tried the different thermometers and it doesn't work. They fall off, they're not very accurate. You know, you can't get the kid hold still long enough to use the conventional thermometers. With Baby Check, you put the band on, leave it on for a couple hours, leave it on for the day if you want, or even longer, and you're able to monitor the baby's temperature throughout the day, overnight, during the day as the child plays. And so you're able to get a true temperature reading without fighting with your child to get the temperature. So via the app, you're able to look at the app and see what the baby's temperature has been on a minute-to-minute basis. You're also able to set a warning temperature. So if you're trying to monitor the baby's temperature to stay under 100 degrees or 98 degrees or 99 degrees, you set that either in Fahrenheit or you can set it in Celsius. And then a warning will be sent back to the phone if that temperature is exceeded. So maybe you have an unfounded concern, or maybe your concern is founded. So maybe the temperature is high during one part of the day and it's not high the rest of the day. Now you've got data you can take to your doctor and say, look, here's what I've tracked for the last few days. Is this normal? Maybe it is normal, maybe it's not normal, but you're able to show some data to your doctor and they have a better way to diagnose the condition if there is such one. With this motion sensor, it will detect whether your child is laying down or whether your child is sitting up. So this allows you to know, is the child playing in the bed or is the child actually resting? Our features that we wish to add at a later date will then be able to track the amount of time the baby's laying down, so you'll know in the morning, did your child get 3 hours of restful sleep, or was it getting 2 hours of sleep and then got up and got laid down for 2 more hours? So this will help you understand maybe the mood swings of your child. Maybe your child is being cranky because he didn't get restful sleep. That will allow you to then do further investigation to find out why your child is sleeping. And at the same time, it's monitoring the temperature. Maybe the child woke up because it was too hot, or maybe it was too cold, or maybe you're not real sure about what the condition is, but with Baby Check, you're able to see exactly what's going on with your baby at the times you're not actually directly with your baby. And the other feature this thing has, which is kind of unique above other device out there, is you can put more than one child on the app. So we've got an iOS app for that and an Android app for that as well. And it will actually track you can actually monitor more than one child at a time. With your support, we can enhance the features, fine-tune the app, and make Baby Check a household name.
Mon Baby Baby Monitor in a smart button. Mon Baby is a wearable baby monitor that tracks your child's breathing, movement, and sleep patterns on an iPhone/Android app.
Hi there, meet MonBaby. MonBaby is a wireless sleep sensor and analyzer for babies.
When I gave birth to my son, I realized I hold the life of my tiny baby in my hands. I was absolutely delighted to be a mother and so stressed at the same time. New parents constantly worry about their baby. How is he sleeping? Is he still breathing? Is everything fine? And you ask yourself these questions again and again. It is so exhausting. We at Mon Devices want to change it with MonBaby.
We're excited to bring to you a compact, comfortable, and reliable device. It's the first of its kind. With just a tiny sensor inside the device, we've developed an algorithm that can accurately and consistently track your baby's breathing. If there are any irregularities, the device will send an alert right to your smartphone.
And right on your iPhone screen, you'll see in real time if your child is asleep or awake, if she's sleeping on her stomach or facing up, if she's fussing more than usual, wide awake, sound asleep, or about to wake up. This technology is applicable for all ages because of its universal form factor. It just as easily snaps to your father's favorite pajamas as to your child's onesie. But we decided to make a first product for parents of newborn kids.
MonBaby is unique because it takes such a proactive approach to monitoring. It will send you an audio alarm to your smartphone if there is an emergency. Audio and video baby monitors do a great job in helping you track your baby. But they lack one essential feature. They can't tell you if something's wrong, especially if there is no movement or sound.
We designed the MonBaby app to give parents an accurate look at their baby's real-time breathing, movement, and position without bothering the baby one bit. As a new husband and lover of technology, I'm really excited to be part of a wave of electronics coming out that's being used to benefit the health and safety of families all around the world.
Having a baby is a life-changing event. It's joyful, but it's also stressful. We want to help new parents minimize that stress. We're very excited to be testing MonBaby and got a very positive feedback from new parents. We'd love for the Kickstarter community to help us complete this much-needed product. We're on the verge of serial manufacturing, and with your support, we can give another layer of safety to parents as they care for their children.
Naptime, the first baby monitor that takes care of parents. Having a baby or looking for the perfect gift for a baby shower? Discover Naptime, a silent baby monitor that improves your sleep.
What the
Come on, again?
Oh, wake up. Please wake up. I gotta work tomorrow.
Is it seriously not gonna wake up? I have to do it all the time.
Is she trying to kick me? Okay, just do as if nothing happened.
Hi, I'm Jules, creator of Naptime. Now we're gonna run through a little demonstration to show you how the project and the product works. First thing you want to do is set up the Wi-Fi camera in the baby's bedroom because it's gonna transmit audio and video to your smartphone. Then you just have to put the wristband on and start the application. To connect the wristband, you just have to press the button and it's gonna scan it automatically and connect to it. Then you just have to choose when you don't want to be awakened during the night. And that's pretty much it, you are all set and you can go to sleep. The camera and the application monitors the baby. When he starts crying, it will send a signal to a wristband, which will start vibrating and awake only one parent. The other one can keep sleeping and won't even notice. Now I'm gonna let Clement tell you more about the technology we're using in the wristband and the application.
Hi, I'm Clement, the lead developer of Naptime. I'm taking care of the baby monitor application, and I manage the development team. We developed a robust algorithm to dispatch baby care alerts between parents, in order to give them control over the sleeping time. When the baby starts crying, the smartphone will trigger vibrations on one of the wristbands. Next time, it could be the other wristband. For example, if for any reason the parents don't react to the vibrations, an alarm will be triggered on the phone. In the next development steps, we'll improve the application and add new features, as compatibility with other smartbands, and predicting the baby needs.
Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm the person in charge of communication at Snaptime. I run the blog and I manage our accounts on social media websites, on which we publish updates about the project. I'll be answering all your questions about the project, so don't hesitate to send me an email, Twitter or Facebook message. I also take care of graphic design. I create logos, press kits and everything we need for the Kickstarter campaign. I hope you like the project and that we'll be talking soon.
We've done a lot of work so far. We finished the hardware, we have an application in alpha version, but we need to improve it. We need to improve the design, we need to add new features to the application, and we need to start the manufacturing process. To do so, we need your help. We need you to help us bring the project to life. You can back us on Kickstarter or simply talk about Naptime to your friends and family.
We really think that Naptime can make parents' life way easier.
We all hope you will enjoy the project and help us support it.
Oregon Baby Diapers. Save Oregon Baby Trademark Diapers, a handmade business, run by awesome moms in Southern Oregon, from permanently closing.
I support Oregon Baby.
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 I support Oregon Baby.